Hi crafters, Amy here, and today I have a haul video from LDRS Creative. They are a small business in Michigan that I started shopping from kind of recently, and I just put through another order with a bunch of Christmas goodies, and I'm so excited. Many of these items are in their brand new release, so I will link what I got in the video description box below if you want to check any of it out, but I'm so excited. So let's jump right in. I'm going to just set these items off to the side. Now to start, I got the new Christmas Sentiments stamp. So this is their sentiment stack system. So you stamp one time and then you die cut one time. So this I had before, but this die works for all of these straight stackable sentiments. And you line up these squares with the squares that stamp, and then it cuts them all out with just one pass through your die cutting machine. So they do have straight ones. I like the Fishtail Banner because if I want it straight, I can just snip off the end. No big deal, but I don't make these little fishtail banners very good when I try and cut them. They never seem to be even. So this says, Christmas is better when we're together, merry everything, jingle all the way. Lots of cute Christmas sentiments. So I'm excited because I have to make a lot of Christmas cards, so it's nice to have a lot of sentiments to choose from. Now, kind of tying in with this, another new item, this is the shadow die. So what this is, I'm really excited about. What this is a shadow to this. So let's say I cut this out on white cardstock with, black stamping with the regular size strip. Then this will create a background for it, like a shadow layer. So basically it's just slightly larger than these strips, but you could back it with, red cardstock or black cardstock or whatever and really make it pop off your card. So they do have these and the straight ones as well. So it's really cool. I was very excited when they came out with that. So that'll really take these strips to the next level by creating these shadow dies with it. Okay, next up I have this. I don't think this is new. This might actually be in their sale category, but I thought it was super cute. This is like one big stamp. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are our family and friends. So lots of really cute, kind of substantial sentiments here. Get this ho ho ho. Wouldn't it be so cute? Stamped in red. Dear Santa, I can explain. You're the jolly to my holly. So this will be really cute with holly type stamps or stencils, things like that. Treat every day like it's Christmas. So this is just really cute. And like I said, I think this might be on sale or clearance in the shop. So if you're interested in this, I would look into it before it runs out. Okay, then I got these. This is not new to the shop, but this is 3 dies for A2 size, and it's got this diagonal stitched, really nice finished edge. And this is different. I use my stitched edge rectangle dies all the time, and I love them, but it's just nice to be able to switch it up a little bit and get kind of a different look. So it'll put these little indentations all along it and then cut it out to this size. So 3 dies here, the A2 diagonal stitched layered card toppers. So very cool. Okay, now these last 2 items that I got are part of the new release for sure, and I'm really excited. I have Christmas Wishes. So this is a huge die. You can see this. It has the words and then also a shadow. And the best thing about it is, look, everything is connected. There's no tittles. There's no separate pieces. It will just cut it all out in one continuous piece, which I love because I don't like having to line it up if I don't have to. I don't like chasing a tittle around. So this is really cool. And look at the size. It is so big. You can see up here's an A2 size card. So this will be substantial on a card, which I think is so cool. You could cut this out in like a glittery or a metallic cardstock and do a pretty stenciled background and make a really easy Christmas card. So it says Christmas Wishes. Very excited about this. Okay, and then the final item is large word Christmas dies. So same thing. It's got the words and the outline. And again, all connected. Very exciting. Very happy about that. I love when they're all just one connected piece. That makes me very happy. So these are a little bit smaller. You can see in size they aren't quite as big, but they're still going to be, substantial on a card base. So this says, let it snow, good tidings, and 'tis the season. So that is my haul. Be sure to check out the shop. Like I said, I will link it below if you haven't heard of it. I really like to support these small businesses when I can, and especially when there's awesome, great products like this. And I'm really stoked to get to making some Christmas cards. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.